Today I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube using other people's videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So I know it's really hard to believe, but there's people on YouTube making money right now without having to make their own videos. There's people who are using other people's videos to make money using the YouTube partner program. And I'm going to show you some examples in this video of people who are making over $300 per day by using other people's videos, and how you can utilize this exact same strategy to create your own YouTube channel, which you could use to basically make a full-time income online. But as you know, there's many different ways to make money on YouTube, and my preferred way to make money on YouTube is using affiliate marketing. That's because not only can you make money with the YouTube partner program, but you can also monetize your channel by using affiliate marketing and utilizing many products and services that you can promote on your YouTube videos and make even more money. Which is why, if you haven't downloaded my free affiliate marketing guide, which you can download in the description below, it shows you how you can build an income using affiliate marketing by promoting different products and services that can pay you $100 per day, $200 per day, depending on how much traffic you're able to get. And in this guide, I show you and break down the process of how to generate traffic online. And so if you're interested in learning how to build a full-time income online, all you have to do is click below and download the free guide. What I'm planning to do in this video is show you two YouTube channels that are using this exact same technique that I'm talking about in this video. And basically what they're doing is they're making compilation videos and creating unique videos using other people's videos. And guess what? They have a lot of subscribers and they're making a lot of money on a daily basis, and you don't even know who's behind those channels. But with that said, let's jump into my computer right now. Alright guys, so like I said, this is a method where you're going to be using other people's videos to create your own videos. And in this case, this is a perfect example of a channel that is using this method to make thousands of dollars every single month by using well-known YouTubers to get views and grow their subscriber base. As you can see, this channel right here is called Snatch, has 127,000 subscribers, and they have videos with thousands and thousands of views. And guess what? They upload pretty much daily, mainly because they have so much content from other different sources. So that allows them to basically create videos on a daily basis. And what they do is, by using the name of other YouTubers and people who have a large social media following, they're able to pull the views from the suggested feature that YouTube has, meaning that when you're watching a video by David Dobrik, for example, you might get a suggested video to Snatch, mainly because they put David Dobrik vlogs, and they have very similar tags and descriptions and things like that that pulls that audience from David Dobrik's original vlog and channel to this channel, allowing them to make more money. So they're doing this with many different YouTube stars and many different social media stars, basically allowing them to pull a lot of different views. Now, if you take a look back to the about section of this channel, you can see that this channel was basically created on January 1st, 2018. So it's been around for just about a year. And if we go to the video section, we're gonna sort by oldest. So you can see the oldest video was about 11 months ago. It had 91,000 views. If we go back to the most popular videos, the most popular video was about 9 months ago with 8.7 million views. Now let's take a look at the actual analytics for this channel according to socialblade.com. In the last 30 days, this channel has generated 12.7 million views and about 18,000 subscribers. So if you can see, the estimated earnings for this channel is between $3,000 to $50,000 per month. They might be making somewhere in between that, mainly because of the amount of views that they're getting. But keep in mind, they're not making any videos themselves. They're simply reusing videos from other YouTube stars and other people with social media followings, and creating basically compilation videos, uploading to this channel, and they're making money. And I've checked some of their videos. Every single video is monetized. So they have video with multiple ads, and they're making money with every single video. If we scroll down to the detail stats, you can see that they're getting subscribers on a daily basis, and they're basically getting almost 500,000 views every single day. So this tells you that this technique actually works. You don't have to create the videos yourself. Now apparently this is completely allowed by YouTube. They're not breaking any rules or any community guidelines with YouTube, even though they're monetized, even though they have over 100,000 subscribers, and even though they have over 155 uploads. They're making money from their videos. They're not getting copyrighted strikes and making a full-time income by using other people's videos. Now I want to show you another example, and this is another channel with almost 300,000 subscribers. It's called Awesome Compilation, and you can go on YouTube, you can search on YouTube, and basically they do the exact same thing. In this case, what they do is they take videos from Instagram and Vine and things like that, and they create compilation videos. Notice that all of these channels upload very frequently. Most of these channels upload on a daily basis, and that's because you want to have a lot of videos, and they're using the exact same technique. They're using, the YouTubers or social media star name in order to pull views to their videos, because people might be searching for their names on YouTube. They might be searching for, their vines or funny videos related to that specific person, and as a result, YouTube will recommend these videos to those people who are searching for those YouTube stars. And again, these people are making a ton of money using this technique. If we go to their most popular videos, you can see that their most popular videos have millions of views. This one has 15 million views, uploaded 1 year ago, 11 million views, 10 million views. And if we go to the About section, you can see that they joined about 2 years ago. They started doing this. And if we go to the Social Blade stats, again, 8.5 million views with 21,000 subscribers. Every single video is monetized because I've checked multiple videos and ads are showing up on those videos. If we scroll down, you can see that they're also getting close to 300,000, 400,000 views per day. They're also growing pretty fast when it comes to subscribers. So this method actually works, guys. This is something that you could do. This is something that might take you some time to set up. You might need to learn how to edit videos and use video editing software, but it's gonna be well worth it if you actually take the time and implement what these guys are doing, because if you do this properly, you can build a channel to 50,000, 100,000 subscribers using other people's videos and making money at the same time. All right, so now that you know that it's possible to do something like this, what you have to think about is, how can I create a channel like this? And I gotta tell you, even though it looks very easy, in the beginning, you're not gonna make any money, because you need to build that following to 1,000 subscribers, and you also need to know how to edit videos. So you might want to use some type of video editing software that is very simple to use and allows you to create simple compilation videos. And so in the first 6-12 months, you might need to work extra hard to be able to create videos that people want to watch, because the trick to generating a lot of views using something like this is using the suggested feature that YouTube provides. So let's say you're making a video called Top 10 Pranks by Logan Paul, for example. Even though this is a unique video, you're still using other people's footage to create your own video. This is exactly what happened with channels like Awesome Compilation and at Snatch, mainly because they're creating videos around specific people who have a large following on social media, and by creating unique videos using their videos, they're able to get suggested on YouTube and make money via the YouTube Partner Program. Even though you're not actually creating the footage, you're not actually recording the videos yourself, you're still making the videos, mainly because you have to create a unique video using other people's videos. But like I said, guys, this is not the only way to make money with YouTube. In fact, I actually created this video not too long ago that shows you how I made over $5,000 with one single video on YouTube that wasn't actually monetized. It was mainly using affiliate marketing. I explained exactly what I did, how I did it, and how you can use this exact same technique with your own YouTube channels to promote different products and services without you having to actually get monetized. In fact, that video sits in a channel that has less than 300 subscribers. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.